To fix a declined payment method in Pinterest, start by logging into your Pinterest account and navigating to the billing section. This is usually found under the Settings or Account menu. Look for any error messages or notifications indicating which payment method was declined. Next, check the payment method details to ensure they are up to date and accurate. Verify the card number, expiration date, and security code to make sure everything is correct. If you have recently moved or changed your billing address, update this information as well. If the issue persists, try removing the declined payment method and adding it again. This can sometimes resolve any technical issues or glitches that may be causing the problem. To do this, go to the Payment Methods section and select the option to remove or delete the declined payment method. Then, add the payment method again, making sure to enter all the details correctly. Another common cause of declined payment methods is insufficient funds or exceeded limits. Check your account balance and available credit to ensure you have enough to cover the payment. Contact your bank or card issuer if you are unsure about any limits or restrictions. It is also a good idea to check for any updates or notifications from your bank or card issuer. They may have flagged the transaction as suspicious or have specific requirements for online payments. Reach out to their customer support to resolve any issues or concerns. In some cases, you may need to verify your account or payment method with Pinterest. This can be done by following the prompts and instructions provided in the billing section. You may be asked to upload identification documents or complete a verification process to confirm your identity and payment details. By following these steps and troubleshooting tips, you should be able to fix a declined payment method in Pinterest and continue using the platform without any issues. Remember to always keep your payment method details up to date and accurate to avoid any problems. In the future, if you are still experiencing issues, contact Pinterest support for further assistance and guidance.